Ready to unlock the power of Solana and dive headfirst into DeFi and NFTs? Then stick around as we guide you through setting up and mastering the Phantom Wallet. First, let's head over to Phantom app and download the Phantom Wallet extension for your browser. Chrome, Brave, Firefox, and Edge are all supported. Click the link to your browser's app store and then click Add to your browser. Once installed, click the Phantom icon in your browser toolbar. You'll be prompted to either create a new wallet or import an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. For this guide, we'll create a new wallet. Click Create New Wallet. This step is crucial. You'll see your secret recovery phrase, a series of 12 words. Write these down exactly as they appear and store them in a safe, offline location. This is the only way to recover your wallet. If you lose access, confirm you've stored the phrase and set a secure password for your wallet. Now that your wallet is set up, you'll see the main interface here. You can view your Sol balance, send and receive tokens, and even buy Sol directly through the wallet. To send Sol, click Send, paste the recipient's Solana address, enter the amount you want to send, and confirm the transaction. Always double-check the address before sending. Phantom also makes it easy to manage your NFTs. Click the Collectibles tab to view all the NFTs stored in your wallet. To connect to dApps, simply navigate to the dApp in your browser. When prompted, Phantom will ask for your permission to connect. Review the permissions carefully before approving. Finally, let's talk security. In your wallet settings, enable auto-lock to prevent unauthorized access. Also, always review transaction previews before confirming to avoid potential scams or errors.